I'm Marna, and welcome to the Monster High Challenge Week. Actually, it started yesterday, but that's okay. I'll probably welcome you every day. I set out a challenge on YouTube to the doll community to upload a video using a Monster High doll for the week of Halloween, which is October 25th through the 31st. If you haven't made yours yet, there's still time. Yesterday, we made this doll a little witch's outfit out of a sock, and I bought a dress at Walmart. I cut her a circle and made her a skirt to go with it. Today, we're going to make her boots. Y'all know I'm cheap on a budget, and I came up with a way. If you have one of these dolls that does not have shoes, which my doll, I bought her at an antique mall, and she came without shoes. So what I had done was robbed a porcelain doll and gave her those shoes. But I thought for this shorter witch's little outfit, she needed boots. So I asked Darren if he could look at the shape of the bottom of her foot, and 3D print these little soles. Now, you could take foam, those little foam sheets, and cut out the same thing. I've seen that done a lot. My only concern with those is these dolls stand on their own, kind of, and if you use the foam, do not have your doll stand free. So anyway, I had him make these insoles, and then I took a glove, and what I had done was I cut the index and ring finger because they were closest in size, and I cut it all the way up to the cuff. The cuff is the top of her boot. Here's what's left over, and don't throw those away because by the time you add the second glove, that's two more pairs of shoes plus two. So you've got, what, 4 pairs of shoes right here if you hang on to that, and we'll do that another day. So what you need is a glue gun. First, let me show you what I had done with the glove. I took and sewed it by hand. I knotted it as I went. Yeah, it's a little gnarly and you could turn it inside out, but this was my first shot at this. And I kind of like it for the witch's boot. So that's what I did. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the glue gun. First, we're going to take one of these and shove it all the way up inside the boot, all the way to the stitching. And then we're going to put this back on her. Let's see if I can do it with her sitting down. Usually I have her with her leg in the air. And you want to be careful. This one's kind of tight. With her foot in the air and the first piece on her, against her foot, between the foot and the air with the sock. Take your glue gun and put that directly on the glove finger. New glue gun, and I love it. We have a link to my new glue gun in the bottom. Okay, and before that dries, you press your other side down. Now, because the other piece is inside against her foot, you are not, or should not, get glue on your doll. Okay, so now she has a sole. I thought that green kind of matched her top. I buy ribbon on clearance, and I got this for 10 cents, which I knew I would need for Halloween and Easter. I like the color. And here we go. What I had done, I don't remember how long a piece I did. I should have cut it off, but kind of long. Better too long than too short. I've told you about my needle before. This is a yarn needle that Darren took and sharpened the edge so that I can do ribbons and elastics and different things like that. All right, what I had done was at the foot, I had put the needle through. Let's get a little bit more of that. trying to hit it right at the same, close enough. And I'm pulling that through. And then I'm going to stop and take my needle off, find center, and then I am going to wrap this around her foot. Now, you could do this several times and it would work out just fine. I only did it the one time with this particular pair, and I took that up and then cross over in the back, get that cross in the front. Oh, that's twisted. You have to keep your ribbon straight as you work it, which cannot always be so easy to do. And then you get your needle again, and you take each side through the glove, which is now a boot, up at the top in the cuff, and push that through, kind of to the side towards the middle of your X. And it doesn't have to be a big stitch. And you do that coming this way, and then you do your other side. Oh, let's line that back up. There we go. I got it a little short, sure enough. That's okay, you get the idea. Sometimes my videos are just for the idea, and then you guys can take it and run and do a much better job. That doesn't hurt my feelings. And then you come in from the other side, and what you're doing here, you cannot lace it like this. You can just lace it up and leave it. But if you do this and you take the little boots off, untie them, pull it off, that'll loosen in here, but it will stay where you need it. And when you put it back on, you can just tie that up. Now, Monster High bow or Monster High not bow. Oh, Barbie's easy. You put all the bows and buttons and trim and lace that you can. Monster High kind of has an edge to it. So I like a bow, she's getting a bow. You might want to put a fancy some kind of knot. So there you go. There are her witch's boots. Are they perfect? No. Are they better than bare feet? Indeed they are. Now that I'm filming, I realize I should have worn a different color shirt so you could see this better. Darren found these wings, they're bat wings. Aren't they cute? And they have like play to them. They were on Thingiverse, and they were actually in child size. And Darren took that and did the math and brought it down for doll size. The cool thing about this is these will fit a lot of dolls. Your 18-inch dolls will look adorable in these bat wings and hat. The hats are very hard to mail, and we would not be able to do that. However, these wings, this is a hidden giveaway, and we are going to send out a pair of these wings. Now what we're going to do, let me show you these. They have, look at, isn't that cool? They have holes. Can you see those? Let me see if I lay them down on our counter. Okay, so what we're going to do is figure out how we're going to weave these in with ribbon into her outfit. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so here's her little bat wings. Can you see them flapping? How cute is that? Really cute. Thank you, Darren. And what I had done was I laced those in. I took them around her neck because they are kind of heavy up top, and then wove them together, tied them around her waist, and I kind of like that string hanging. If you did that in black, it would really set off like a full length witch's outfit. And what if you like the back wings but you have smaller dolls? That's not a problem. We can make those in smaller sizes, and this is a double hidden giveaway. Darren prints these adorable little tea sets. They're actually Barbie size, but for any of the 10 to, I don't know, 12-inch dolls, it's really cute. And he printed this in Monster High Pewter. This is going to go out to one person in our hidden giveaway, and the other person is going to get the bat wings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to get your Monster High videos uploaded to YouTube this week, the 25th through the 31st. Also, don't forget about Darren's Trick or Treat contest. You can find that video. He'll probably list that in the description. Send a little short trick-or-treating any doll at all, and that's a contest also. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and like our video.